Hello all, Greg here, GDB Rescue and Recovery, Stafford in the Midlands, UK. Today I am taking you out to the lovely place called Macclesfield with a white Mercedes Sprinter that has gone walkies in a field. After that, I might be delivering you a bit of more premium content in Congleton of a lady that has reversed over a disabled ramp at a client's home address. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Currently racing out at the speed of sound. Preferred method would have been going out in the Jeep, but the Jeep is not fast. It's 4 litre petrol, but it is not fast. It is currently 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, and as you know, sunset is like 5:15, and then come 6 o'clock, dark. And this vehicle is in a fair bit of a field from the photos that I have seen. So yeah, short and sweet. Next part of the clip will be on scene. Thanks for watching. So the bad news, YouTube, it looks like the farmer's arrived and he does not want a recovery vehicle in his field, which okay, is fair enough as long as his vehicle gets recovered out safely. I've seen it before when farmers go in and, well, you've probably seen the things on YouTube when they just pull vehicles out and bumpers come off, axles break, the rest of it. So apparently he's been winched, but he's been pulled out of the first part, okay, he's just got the next part of the hurdle to get out of the field, but if he's done the first part, more than likely the second part will be okay. So yeah, but all that means that I can hopefully get to my second job in Congleton, which the lady is happy to book on, to do a winch out and probably using a low profile jack. I'll attach the photo below, hopefully you'll understand. But like I say, with these jobs that I do, I always take, well, let me put it this way, any job that I do, I always take payment up front. Reasons being, jobs can cancel, people can turn up, vehicles can magically fix themselves, for all sorts of reasons. So payment upfront service every time. If you don't want it, if you don't want to pay, that's fine, you know, stay where you are. You've got to cover your back before, you know, helping a customer. Sorry to say it, been there, done that loads of times. Every single time that I've been out without payment up front, the job backfires every single time. Other than that, that's it for now. Hopefully the next part of this clip will be the full confirmation of the job cancelling for the Mercedes Sprinter in the field, and then the job acceptance when I've got payment to go to Congleton and get this Ford Focus out. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
At gmail.com.
Gmail.com.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Your confirmation should be straight through to your mobile phone now, so it should ping off any moment. That'll recap all of the details I've spoken about, and the payment will also appear on your bank statement, usually 24 to 40 hours after today. So if you get yourself warmed up, my sat-nav says I'm 4 minutes away, 1.5 miles. So by the time we put the phone down, I'll probably be with you.
Okie doke then. Thank
Lovely.
you.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so that is now the Mercedes Sprinter fully cancelled. Tractor's got them out with no bother, which is fantastic news, most important. And we are now going on to the job in Congleton that's just been booked on and paid. And we are now 3 minutes away, 1.2 mile. How about that? So yeah, all in all, not a bad little day. Right, next part of the clip will be on scene with the Ford Focus. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we are just arriving on scene. And we've still got daylight. Right, a bungalow with a Ford Focus down a disabled ramp. I think they said number, well I won't say it on the phone call, but hey, we're nearly there. Couple houses up. Next to the school. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be this one on the left. Our survey says, yep, there we go. What we're gonna do with that is first have a little walk, but I'm gonna park in the driveway as well. So we're going to use a rear winch line is what we're going to do whilst we're jacking up the vehicle, I'm going to say. Hello. Hey, it's one of them things, these things happen.
Oh, she was saying to me, she's in a wheelchair, so there
Yeah,
wasn't
yeah.
enough room to get her out.
Aye.
So I thought, right, come back further.
Yeah, yeah. No problem.
She's yelling at me. He's got a rat eye. He's back door. He's got a rat eye.
The next thing you know, you're up and over. Aye. Yeah, no problem. We'll get you out. No, well, what I'm going to do, looking at this in the photos I saw, I'm going to put a winch line onto the front of the car, use a jack on the back end to get it jacked up, and then just winching it and bringing it back up and over, basically, until the back wheel. As soon as the back wheel reaches here, we'll be absolutely fine, good as gold.
Yeah.
But just to state the obvious, obviously the worst damage has probably been done already by the scraping, which you would have heard anyway. It's only just, to be fair, kissing the sill.
It is.
Just
only
kissing it.
just.
Yeah, just. So, okay. Don't stress. If you got the car key for me, you can either watch the show or I can just give you a little knock on when it's done to save you getting cold. Beautiful. Bless you. Yeah, no worries at all. So yeah, the axle's nice and strong on there for the jack. Yeah, should be no bother at all. Oh dear. Yeah, hard to say really, not my position to comment. You can say all the words you want. I say nothing. Okay, so that's the lady in the Ford Focus out, and the sill only just kissed the concrete, so, you know, sound. Originally I was thinking, because it was literally kissing, I thought if I start jacking up and then all the rest, but no. Method saw the bricks, my eyes lit up, and that was that. Little ramp, used the off-road plank, which saves the day again. And yeah, straight up from the off. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it wasn't exciting it was first made out to be, but hey, at the end of the day, it is what it is. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.